cloche this area. I do tend to do this every year, and it's more to give me something to do than anything else. It is only the middle of January, but I've double cloched a lot of this. We've got some lettuce. That's not a hardy lettuce, but it's doing all right. Some other things that are hardier, like leeks. As you can see, that's coriander and a little bit of lettuce. Again, the lettuce is not a hardy one. These coriander are quite hardy, but they do repay you if you give them a bit of protection. So some polythene over hoops and some cloches underneath as well gives double protection, and they're doing all right. There's only one little bit of slug damage so far, which reminds me, the first rule if you want vegetables to eat out of your own garden is to control slugs. These are electrical conduit from Wicks. I think they're about £3 each. Polythene's really cheap as well. You can get that from Wicks too. And apart from that, it's just some old bricks and stones to hold it down, really. It's good fun doing cloches. These are red choy, and they're surprisingly hardy. These are these were sown at the same time as the green ones, and they're half the size. But it's nice to get a bit of colour in the garden. But as soon as I'm going to set up a new cloche and put these in the ground under it. I've also got more green patchway in this garden and also on the allotment. Cheers. Oi. Winter in the greenhouse. It's a bit like camping. It's 10 degrees in here, so that bubble wrap that we've been doing has been very effective. So I thought I'd come down here, exercise once a day, do something useful, sort out that bodge job with that netting on my purple sprouting broccoli, which is absolutely precious. I've spent, since May looking after those plants, and then just to leave it to the last furlong, and then some pigeon comes along and wrecks the whole thing. So you've got to care for your babies, look after your plants, and they'll look after you. So on goes the netting. I've got some better garden netting, Wilco's. It's not an advert. 6 by 4 meters. That should keep the pigeons off. So I'll see you on the next bit. These are Ricottas, so I have to be careful with this. I've got cuts on my hands. Ugh, very slimy, but and these are quite heavy chilies. What they do have, so I've got cuts on my hands, so it's going to hurt in a minute. I don't know whether you can see that, but the seeds are black, and so they're different from other chilies. So basically, just lay them out. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just dump the lot in there. I've got nothing to. I'm not going to eat this chili. It's rotting. But I know it's the seed's going to be fine because it is. Because it is red and rotting. So the fruit is mature enough. So I can't see what I'm doing, but I know I'm getting most of the seeds out. I don't. I'm going to end up washing my hands vigorously, I can tell. But I would, because these are like habanero in strength. And I'm just going to let it lie on top. Make sure I've got nothing, and then put plastic over the top and take it into the kitchen. I might even put it on a radiator for a couple of days, but that smells lovely, by the way. That's to the chilli smell. So nearly all chilies have white seeds. This is the only one, the only one that has black. But anyway, that's why. So yeah, my Ricotta, there's other names for it, has died. Long live the Ricotta. So anyway, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. It is more closer to the beginning of winter than it is the end, but the flurry of actions being taken to start the year off indicate the end is in sight. Anyway, I shall see you on the next one. Ta-ra for now.